In this short video, I will show you how to use the ranking tool inside the Forecaster terminal.
The ranking page is where you can find all the indexes from all across the globe, and clicking, for example, on the S&P 500, you can find the fundamental valuation for the entire index, so you can understand if the whole index is over or undervalued. And of course, you can find all the companies, the components of the index, and you can rank them from the best to worst. You can rank the single column. For example, you would like to see which is the most underrated company, you just have to click. You can go in the ratio page where you can find all the most important ratio. You can go to the price change where you can rank all the best performance in the last month, 6 months, 1 year, and so on. We now have the ranking page also for sectors and industries, which is very interesting because if you are interested in a special sector, let's say, for example, healthcare, thanks to the ranking page, now you can have all the companies of this sector from all across the globe, and not only the companies inside a special index, especially for the sector. Also for the sector, you can find if the whole sector is over or undervaluated. Talking about the healthcare sector, for example, at the moment is undervalued by 12%. You can find here which are the states, the countries involved in this sector. For example, you can see here 74% of the entire market cap, it's in the United States. Here you can choose a specific country. So, for example, you would like to rank only Saudi Arabian companies listed, and you would like to know which are the best company fundamentally speaking. Easy, you can do it thanks to the forecaster. Okay, of course, you can do the same with all the companies. I mean, this is a very nice tool you can use in order to deep dive inside the market. And deep dive inside the market, it means you can find the best opportunities. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 sectors. But if you would like to deep dive in a sector, for example, you would like to have a specific industry inside the healthcare sector, you can go here, you can go on this page, industries, and you can divide those companies in biotechnology, drug manufacturers, and medical. Okay, so for example, are you looking for opportunities in biotech? Very easy. You can go in this specific page where you can find all the information you need. Is overall undervalued based on the table below or world index? On the table below, exactly on the table below. For example, in this page, you will find all the biotech company listed across the globe. You know, we are talking about 268 companies divided in certain states, in certain countries, and this is the overvaluation at the moment calculated on all those companies. Who decide what a fair value is? Very simple. Also in this case, for example, if we open the Novo Nordisk page, which is the biggest company inside the biotech segment, the fair value is calculated as an average of those 3 different calculation methods. And of course, we don't put any biases inside our calculation. We use exactly the formula you can learn at the economic university if you attend the economic university, and we just apply the concept at the same way for all the companies you can find all across the globe. This is something, of course, you can do also with the indexes. For example, at the moment, the S&P 500 is undervalued by 40%.